Today, I want to share with you my no-fail video formula. It's part of video Kickstart number 7. I'm Cheryl Tan with CherylTanMedia.com. I'm so glad you're here. People come to me when they want guidance on content strategy, video marketing, and maybe they want some help on creating consistency with their videos. I've had so much fun putting this video Kickstart series together, and I hope you've enjoyed it as well. If you have, please like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you're getting out of it. I really, really appreciate that. The no-fail video formula is something I created a couple of years ago to help my clients figure out what to say in their videos. And you know, when you create something for your business, especially early on, things change and you make some adjustments and you change some things around, but something that has not changed is this no-fail video formula. And I was frankly a little surprised, but I want to share that with you. And it's very simple. It's something I talk about with a lot of the people I work with, and they seem to get a lot of value out of it. And very simply, it's this. It is looking at your business, especially as you're trying to share a message with someone about what it is you do, is share the problem you solve. More importantly, it's the problem that your clients and customers are dealing with. Share your solution to how you solve that problem. And then the third part of my formula is the transformation that your client or customer will have once they work with you. So in my head, when I'm putting together videos, I just think of it as problem, solution, transformation. That's it. When I think of problem, solution, transformation, I apply that to clients I work with as I try and help them put their ideas in front of the camera. So let's say we're working with a financial planner. In fact, we just did a series of videos for a financial planning client. I work with them by helping them see that their clients have a certain type of problem that they're trying to solve. And that's why they're coming to this particular financial planner. So I ask them, well, what's the problem they're dealing with? A lot of times, their clients are trying to fund college. They are trying to figure out if they can retire. They are trying to see if they can go on that next vacation with everybody in the family, which is a big financial investment. And that's what brings them in front of this financial planner. And so what is the solution for that financial planner? Well, that person might say, well, I create a strategy for them to be able to fund college, be able to retire, to be able to take that big trip. And these are the steps I go through so they can reach that result. And once they outline that, their clients and customers, they see that, they understand. And finally, they give a transformation. They show how those steps have worked for their clients or customers. And from that, that perfect client or customer sees how they can work together. And that's what we do with problem, solution, transformation. I hope this has helped, because when I work with clients to see that, to see how this formula works for them, they can see how they can use this over and over again, and it truly becomes a formula. I can share this formula with you as well, so you can sign up for it and you can have this with you whenever you want it, or you can just save this video Kickstart number 7. Again, I thank you for watching. If this has helped, please feel free to like it, share it with a friend, and join us for the next video in this series. Again, I'm Cheryl Tan. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.